Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to deep dive into encapsulation and access modifiers in Java. You'll learn how encapsulation helps protect your data and how access modifier define the visibility of our code. I will also show you how to use getters and setters to safely access and update your private data. So let's get started. Okay, let's start by understanding what encapsulation really means. Encapsulation is one of the core principles of object-oriented programming. It's the process of bundling data, which are variables and the methods that operate on the data into a single unit also known as class. Now, why is encapsulation important? Well, it helps to keep your data safe from unintended modifications. Imagine you are writing a code for a bank application. You would not want someone to accidentally set an account balance to a navigate value, right? Encapsulation ensures that we can control how data is accessed and changed. Okay. To make it easier to understand, think of a medical capsule. Just like the capsule hold all the ingredients inside and prevents them from spilling, encapsulation in Java bundles the data and code together while keeping certain parts hidden from the outside world. This allows to protect sensitive information and direct access to the internal working of a class. Let's take a look at an example to encapsulation in action. In this code, we have a person class with two private fields, name and age. Since these fields are private, they can be accessed directly from outside the class. To allow access to this data, we provide public methods like getName, setName, getAge, and setAge. This way, we control how the data is retrieved and modified. Notice that in the setter for age, we have added a check to ensure the age is always positive. This is great example of how encapsulation allows to protect data integrity. Next, let's talk about access modifiers. Access modifiers define the visibility of our fields, methods, and classes. Java provides four main access modifiers: private, public, protected, and default. Let's break them down. Private means the field or method is only accessible within the class. Public allows access from any class. Protected grants access within the same package and to subclasses. And if no modifier is specified, the default access is used, meaning it's only accessible within the same package. This is an example of the access modifiers. It's a private class and oh my god, sorry. And it's a public and protected and it's a default. Okay, now let's talk about getters and setters. These methods allow us to control access to private fields. For example, in this code we use the getName method to okay, oh my god, getName method to retrieve the value of the name field and setName method to update the setter. The setter for age also includes validation logic, ensuring the age is always positive. Using getters and setters give us control over how data is accessed and updated while keeping the internal implementation hidden. Okay, let's quickly recap what we have learned. Encapsulation helps protect data by managing fields private and providing controlled access through the public methods. Access modifier like private, public, protected, and default help define where your code can be accessed from. It always a good practice to declare your fields as private and use public getter and setter method to manage access. Also, don't forget to add validation in your setters when necessary. That's it for encapsulation and access modifier. I hope you now have a clear understanding of how encapsulation works and how to use access modifier in Java. If you have any questions, feel free to drop down in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more programming tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video where we'll talk about inheritance in Java.